This client's kitchen had a lot of great systems in place, but needed some decluttering and rearrangement to thrive. Over 2 of her maintenance sessions, we tackled her kitchen, starting with editing her cups and arranging them by user and frequency of use. This family grills and smokes meat and has an amazing collection of spices and spice blends. After clearing out expired spices, we contained loose packets upright in a clear bin and organized the jars of spices by their function and color, since that's how this family searches for them in the heat of cooking. The result is visible flavor that's easy to access. Next up, we managed the systems for bakeware and food storage. Heavy items were mostly in a drawer and small items were lost in the depth of the cabinet. So we pulled everything out onto the counter and matched up lids to containers before donating about 1/3 of the food storage bins. The remaining bins went into the drawer for easy access, and glass bakeware with its lid then moved into one cabinet. Our second session started with tackling 2 catch-all drawers. We made one the kid-friendly organized junk drawer and straightened up the other to hold baggies, cling wrap, foil, and toothpicks. We then checked the dates on pantry items and straightened them out before moving on to a couple catch-all cupboards. We pulled everything out, of course, and really focused on function. That left us with a sandwich making station, a place to stash lunch boxes out of sight, and a dedicated space for infrequently used disposable items. We utilized an awkward space behind the sink to give access to the cutting boards, purged abundant cups and plastic straws, and even shuffled around some countertop appliances. This kitchen went from overcrowded to well-maintained with everything in its place.